Before you take out any walls, it's super important to make sure that it's not a load-bearing wall, because if it is, when you take out a wall like this one, your ceiling joists up here might no longer be supported and they will fall down on top of you. It'll be a very expensive mess. You want to have a structural engineer look at your framing to make sure that taking out a wall will not impact the structural integrity. In our case, we have 2x8 ceiling joists, and the overlap is on this wall right here. So taking out this wall is not going to affect it. And these same ceiling joists are supported by this wall and the far wall on the other side of the house, as well as this joist is supported by this wall and right over there on that side of the house. So it's okay to take out this wall in our case after doing a bunch of calculations and permits. And in our case, what holds these studs in are nails mostly. So they drive, call it 2.5-inch nails through these studs to hold these blocks in place. So the first step that I take is I first come in with a reciprocating saw and a big long blade like that. That's a 9-inch blade, is helpful because you know, it's just, you're able to get both of these nails all at once. So basically we just cut these out. We're gonna do the same thing in here. And once we've cut out the blocks, we're also going to cut off the in between the gaps. So this right here is your stud. It's going vertically. Plates run horizontally like this. So this is your bottom plate. Those are your top plates. So we take out the nails or fasteners that secure your blocks to your studs, and then we take out the nails that secure the stud to the plates. And I've already taken out this one. You can kind of just barely make it out right there. That was one of the nails. It's they did 2 for each, so you can see that better. So I'm gonna come in with the reciprocating saw. I'll show you guys what that looks like. But we're just gonna, you know, take them out, take out that one, and then these studs just come right off like this, and you can reuse them for work you're about to be doing. So like in our case, we can reuse these studs because we're going to be building a wall from there to there. So, you know, save as much as you possibly can, be nice to the earth. All right, so you guys getting the idea. And so with the 2 fasteners on the bottom cut, honestly, with some of these things, you might be able to just keep on pulling them off, just like that. And yeah, so hope this video helps. Good luck if you're about to do this, and take it easy.